So, in summary, did you enjoy the course? We hope you did. If you have any questions about the course, please get in touch. Do you have some requests? Is there certain things you would like to see included in the course in a future update that you don't feel we've covered or you feel would be useful to yourself and other students? If you do, please get in touch. And of course, we always recommend positive reviews on the course. If, however, there's something you're not happy with, before leaving a review, why not just get in touch and we'll see how we can deal with that situation for you. We do have other courses that you may well be interested in, so I invite you to go and have a look at those courses and see if there's something there that you might like to learn about as well. Thank you for your course attendance, and of course, just get in touch with any queries you may have.